pickle poppers with secret sauce on Smokin' and Drinkin'. Hey, welcome back to Smokin' and Drinkin'. I'm Mike. Today we're out at the lake. Got our lake friends with us, our lake family, and we're going to be making pickle poppers. A lot like jalapeno poppers, only we're using pickles. Let's get started. All right, it's not too many ingredients here. We just have pickles that we've cored out the seeds, made little pickle boats. We have ground beef, bacon, cream cheese, and of course the pickles. That's it. We're just gonna brown up the beef on our Ninja Woodfire outdoor grill, and then we'll stuff the cream cheese and the browned ground beef and stuff them into the pickles in the little pickle boats. We'll wrap them in bacon, and then we'll get them smoking on the Ninja, and we're going to be using Whistle Pig pellets. While we got the ground beef browning, I forgot to mention, we'll be adding some mild shredded cheddar, and we'll be seasoning it with Tuttle's Meat Market and Smokehouse Original Seasonal. So that'll add some nice season to it. So we'll continue getting the hamburger browned up, and then we'll move on to the next step. I like these whiskey barrel pellet blend Whistle Pig pellets. They're a blend of maple and Whistle Pig oak staves. So that really gives it a nice blend of a mild oak smoke with a little bit of maple to go with it. I think that'll go good. Whenever I'm using bacon, I like to use maple. It kind of goes well together with bacon. So, and the oak will help blend with the pickles. It'll be a nice smoke to kind of tame the pickle a little bit. Take a little bit of the pickle out of the pickle, I guess. Okay, we've got our hamburger browned real nice, chopped up as fine as we could so that it fits in these little pickle boats. And so we're going to mix up our stuffing. And like we said, that's ground beef. We got 8 ounces of cream cheese. It is very soft. It's pretty warm out today. I'm in the sun, but not in the wind, so which is a first. Always in the wind. Right, there we go. Add our cream cheese. And we're going to add our shredded cheddar. This is 8 ounces. Just a little bit less than 8 ounces, not quite a full bag. I think we're going to hold off, maybe not put the whole thing in at once. And we're going to add a little bit of the Tuttle's Original Seasonal. Just going to probably about a tablespoon. Just not going to be too accurate with our measurements here. Forgot to bring out a spoon, so we're going to just improvise here like we do when you're at the lake. Whoa. Use our tongs for everything. Could use our hamburger chopper. This is a handy little tool. I don't know if you guys use these or not. It's a hamburger chopper. Works great for browning hamburger or beef or sausage. Chops it up real nice. And apparently it works to mix up your stuffing too. right. Okay. All right. Got our stuffing. And now we're ready to put stuffing into the pickle boats. And then we'll sprinkle a little more seasoning on top of that and we'll wrap it in bacon. Um, so let's get that started here. All right, like I said, forgot my spoon, so I'm going to improvise with our tongs again, or maybe just our hands. Got a helper here, my sous chef. Uh, she's going to wrap while I stuff. This was her idea, her recipe, and she has another secret ingredient that I didn't mention. I'll come bring that in towards the end of the cook here. This is a pretty simple process. Stuff and wrap. I won't make you watch all of them. And we'll bring you back in when we're done stuffing and wrapping. Okay, we've got all the pickle poppers stuffed and wrapped. We used toothpicks to hold them together just in case. We had, so they turned out pretty nice. We cut each slice of bacon in half, and that was just about enough. We used the smaller sized pickles, not the big long ones, but not the little gherkins either. So those are nice appetizer sized pickles. Um, we had a little extra stuffing left over, so we just wrapped them into kind of a ball and wrapped them with bacon. There were 3 of those. There's one here. We'll see how that goes. That's kind of an experiment. But while we're waiting for our Ninja to ignite the pellets, um, we'll go ahead and add a little more of the Tuttle's Meat Market and Smokehouse Original Seasonal. My assistant told me that this is Meat Market in Texas, and they make these. They were down there spending the winter down in Texas, um, and she said they make these pickle poppers, and they can't keep them on the shelf. So um, this is the Tuttles that they use. So we're going to season a little more on top. You know, you're smoking your seasoning, and you know, I believe in being very liberal with the seasoning. Get our little show pony there. And then as soon as the pellets are ignited, lit, we'll get them on the smoker. We're going to smoke them for about 30 minutes, uh, and then we'll add. So we have a secret we're going to add to them after they're done smoked. We'll bring that out here in a minute, but we'll wait till this is going and we'll get them on the smoker. Okay, our smoker is pellets are lit, and we're just gonna put these. We're gonna put our little tester pigs on the back there, and then they're gonna just line up our pickle poppers. It's gonna be a full house again. We're gonna have to. Everybody needs to get cozy in here because we got a bunch of these poppers, but that's okay. We got a bunch of Lake family here, and everybody's looking hungry. So let's find a small one to squeeze on the end there. I love the smell of the whistle pig pellets. It has a nice oaky aroma to it. We are really full here. We're going to have to get close. Everybody squeeze together. We're going to be down to, wow. I wouldn't maybe go with quite so many. It's going to be harder to get that smoke all the way around them. So you might not make quite so many. Oh, we got quite a few here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 27 of them. So yeah, might not want to go with quite that many, just because I've got the smaller Ninja. If you've got the larger, the XL, then you have no problem. I have to upgrade to the XL. Maybe Ninja would like to float me a freebie so I could show it off to everyone. But we're going to let this go for 30 minutes, and we're at about 225 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll check back in 30 minutes. All right, it's been another 10 minutes or so, and let's give them a look here. Oh yeah, I think they are done. They're looking good. We'll get these pulled off the smoker out here on the platter, our cute little camping platter, since we're out camping, and we'll give it a taste. Let's see what our pickleless pickle poppers look like here. They did pretty good. I was a little worried they might just melt all over the place, but they held together pretty good. That one's starting to come apart a little bit, but had more stuffing than we had pickles. So I'm just going to leave those sit for now. And we got some beautiful pickle poppers here. They're looking delicious. Everybody's pretty hungry over there, so let's have a taste here. I'm gonna pick this one right here on the front. Oh, this is gonna be fiery hot, right off of the smoker. I don't have any utensils, forks or whatnot. We're just gonna take it a fire bite here and see what happens. Oh, it smells smoky, bacony. Oh, you know what? I forgot something. Our secret sauce. Remember I told you we have a secret. My assistant told me we need to try this. You can use ketchup if you want. You can use mustard, whatever you might. It's kind of like a cheeseburger. But we're going to use secret sauce for burgers and dipping. She says it's kind of like, you know, that Big Mac place, their secret sauce. I'm keen on giving that a try, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that on. Let's try it without first, just for a starter. Take a taste. Oh wow. Oh, that's really good. Pickle's still crunchy. The cheese is melty and gooey. The bacon is crispy and smoky. Oh, that is really good. Okay, let's try the secret sauce. Just gonna put a little bit on there. Let's try this. That's like a Big Mac bacon cheeseburger. That is fantastic. Finger licking good. Well, that about does it for the pickle poppers out of the lake. I want to thank you all for joining me once again, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything, and it helps us keep this channel going and bringing these great videos to you. If you like this video, hit the like button. That helps the algorithm with what they tell me. And if you want to keep getting notified of our videos, hit the bell, the notification bell. And as always, Prost! Hmm. Y'all ready for some pickle poppers? All right.